what's up guys, my name is Andrew and I'm from Options Army, and welcome back guys to my channel, and welcome to this video guys, where today guys, first time I'm going to show you the new Maximus-CruptoBot software. Remember guys that last week there was couple of days the software was offline. I was also not able to trade because they were performing internal upgrades, and they were basically also working in expansion of their platform. And guys, as I promised you guys, that this week guys I'm going to show you the new platform, because I really didn't have time over the weekend, and also on Friday I was kind of busy as well. But yeah guys, so anyway guys, so first things first guys, as usual, if you are new to my channel, I would highly recommend you to please click on that subscribe button so that you'll be up to date with all my upcoming video news releases. So guys, here we go guys. So this is guys the Maximus-Cryptobot, the up-to-date trading platform. As you can see guys, it looks completely different, it looks completely new, you know. When I asked through their email support, you know, I asked them what kind of changes they made. So basically they told me that they made internal upgrades, as well as their trading algorithm has been updated as well. So basically, you know, the algorithm behind the software, you know, it's mostly focusing on support and resistance, MACD and Bollinger Bands, you know, as well as EMA indicators. But now, guys, they also have been told also in their algorithm they also put an emphasis on a Fibonacci. Fibonacci, guys, is a really old type indicator which has been used for ages on forex platforms. So, but when taking a look closer, you know, to this. Let's just go here. See here, guys. This is the Maximus-Cryptobot, the law, you know, the sign up website, and it actually says it right here, you know, that the software uses these 4 indicators, but now they also use Fibonacci. So the new algorithm which is behind the trading software, okay, which is Maximus-Cryptobot, you know, software is scanning the markets, you know, software is scanning the markets, it's looking at the trading opportunities, you know, and whenever it sees the trading opportunities for either if the asset is going up or down, and if that trading opportunity is strong enough, as we can see, these confidence factors varies, then the software is showing these signals on the dashboard, and from that point forward, in order for us to generate profits, we simply have to enter the amount per amount we want to invest for each signal, and here click on trade button. And when we do that, that signal will be automatically placed on our assigned brokers platform. So this is my older account, guys, from with Binary Online. Yeah. So, but the thing is this, that the software. So let's talk about the software a little bit, okay? So the software, guys, looks a little bit different as previously. Although there should be no synchronization issues. Remember, guys, that previously we got a lot of emails from people who got synchronization issues when it comes to the trading button. But now those issues are fixed. But if you still have any issues, guys, please let me know. Email me at binaryoptionsarmy@gmail.com, and I will try to help you out. You know, I will contact Maximus-CruptoBot support, and you know, in my case, they reply me really fast, because they know that I own a website and a blog and a YouTube channel, so they are replying to me quite fast. But so guys, if you cannot get in contact with them, you know, if you are in really big hurry to fix your issue, let me know, guys. Yeah, guys, but let's talk about. So this, guys, is the new software which looks like this. And the thing is this, that the software also from now on they focus on more assets to trade. So as you can see here, we have a lot of assets. So, and it's really interesting, guys. So we have a Siemens, we have a gold against the silver. They also have more assets which I haven't even seen before. So for example, Norwegian krone, you know, this usually we haven't seen this currency pair on a previous Maximus-Cryptobot. So one of the biggest changes in Maximus-Cryptobot is that now we get even more signals with even across more currency pairs and across more trading instruments. instruments. So we have more trading instruments now to trade with than before, and this is really fantastic and interesting to see, because I can't really wait to actually start testing these. For example, look at this Ethereum against Waves. Waves is another cryptocurrency. So there are ton of new cryptocurrencies added. There are a ton of new trading instruments added, you know, in general. For example, we have more stocks, more indices, you know, but again, I would not recommend you to trade stocks, because I was reading other blogs, you know, and people who trade stocks, you know, often experience losses. But honestly, myself, I never trade stocks, you know, myself. So let's stick to the basics, and it's recommended that you only trade either traditional currencies and cryptocurrency trading pairs. But that's interesting, guys, because we're gonna test stocks as well. So guys, yeah, so here we have the usuals. Here we have a trading area, the positions, previous positions will be placed here. So whenever you place position, whenever you hit on trade button, that trade will be automatically saved in your trading, in your history positions. And now here is the financial news. When you click on financial news, you will basically be given this financial news area where you can read major fundamentals for the day. And this again has been upgraded because I'm not sure this news area is powered by Bloomberg, or I think it's powered by Bloomberg, I think. And that's probably why the reason why we have multiple, you know. And this is perfect, you know. Actually, I like this, because usually, you know, on the other platforms, financial news area is really small area, and they give like a couple of news per day. But not in this updated Maximus-CruptoBot platform. Here, as you can see, we have a ton of news, you know, being updated frequently, you know, and all of the time during the day. For example, you can see how many news releases we have for today alone. So today is the 25th of June, okay? Look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So look at this, we have ton and ton of news releases, and there's even 7 pages, you know. And so this is again something we're gonna look into, because remember, guys, before we start trading, we usually go to investing.com, we go to news, and we click on economic calendar, and then we make sure that there are no tribal news during our trading session. And you know, and this will give us even bigger tools, you know. We can actually look at these news releases either from the investing.com when it comes to impact for those news releases, and then we can basically look what's going on, you know, what's going on in these news releases by clicking on more and learning more, you know, and learning more or predicting what could be the next movement of the particular trading assets, such as currency pairs, you know, and how those news are going to impact those currency pairs. Again, we don't know, and you will never know the outcome of the news before those news are actually being released, okay? Of course, if we knew either the news will be negative or positive, nobody knows what will be the news before they are being released. But this can give us a bigger notion, you know, of what's going on into the market, you know, for that particular day, for example today. But this is great, because the more you know, the more confident you can be about your future trades. Yeah, guys, so here we go. So this is the platform itself. So furthermore, then we have this logout button, the user ID, username, balance, and the deposit button right here. And here again, here on the top, guys, you can choose what kind of trading pairs you want to trade, or what kind of trading pairs you want to see on your dashboard. So you can choose between stocks, cryptocurrency pairs, currencies. These are traditional currency pairs, I believe, indices and commodities. Yeah. So again, it's not recommended to trade stocks. I never recommend to trade stocks, because to trade stocks is really dodgy, you know, and you have to be really up to the game, you know. When you want to trade stocks, if you want to trade stocks, then you really need to read those news. You need to really know what's going on, you know. What kind of business decisions, or was there any news announcements, you know, for particular companies, you know. And well, when it comes to stocks, guys, it's really different ball game, you know, than if you were trading traditional currencies or cryptocurrencies, you know. Because some of the stocks, even if you trade some of the stocks, there could be zero volatility, you know. There are a lot of stocks that has really low volatility, you know, in the market. And there are also a lot of stocks that has crazy volatility, you know. And again, it depends on which stocks we're talking about. Some stocks are quiet in the beginning of the week, but then they're crazy on Thursdays and Fridays. Because, you know, many countries, Thursdays is a payday and Fridays are the day when usual consumers are spending that money, you know. So there's a lot of implications, a lot of things that you need to consider before you trade stocks. But if you want to trade stocks, guys, let me know, because you know that I have been trading Forex for the past, now it's about 5 years. So I trade Forex full time, and if you're interested in trading Forex, let me know. I can do some Forex trading sessions with you guys if you want me to. But the Forex trading is a little bit different ball game, you know. Yeah, guys. So furthermore, so cryptocurrencies indices and commodities can be also chosen on this Maximus-CruptoBot. Then furthermore, here we see the regular term. Assets, long-term assets, hyper assets, you know, but these are basically the types of assets, you know, you're gonna see on your dashboard. Usually, if you choose regular term, the software is going to scan the markets as a whole, and it's gonna look for trading opportunities. If there are any trading opportunities, you know, look for today's date and simply choose your investment you want to make for any of these signals, and click on trade button. And when you do that, that trade will be automatically placed on your broker's platform, you know. But yeah, guys, as you can see, we have many different trading pairs. My recommendation for those who are completely new to the trading would be to only choose currencies, okay? Only trade currencies. That's thing number one. Thing number two, please do not trade when there are triple news. So go to investing.com, click on news, click on economic calendar, and make sure there are no triple news during your trading session. That's thing number two. Thing number three, guys. And thing number three, make sure that you do not invest crazy amounts per trade. So if you're just starting off with $250 or $300 you know, trading account, start minimum, which is like a $10 or $20 per trade, you know, depending on your broker. Yeah, and then guys, thing number four, sorry, make sure that you trade only during recommended trading hours. And the recommended trading hours, as you know, are 9 AM to 7 PM GMT time. Yeah, guys, trade responsibly, trade safely, trade during recommended trading hours, and enjoy those profits, you know. Please share me your results as well. Again, guys, thing number five, it's, you know, make sure that you only choose the highest confidence factor signals first. So if I was going to trade now, I would avoid 58 confidence factor. I would trade 65 or 88, 66. So choose the highest confidence factor trade signals first, you know, and make sure that you know that you constantly pay attention to your dashboard, because these signals are being refreshed every 10, 15, 20 minutes, sometimes even more often. Yeah, guys, so trade responsibly, trade safely. If you have any questions, please email me at binaryoptionsarmy@gmail.com. If you're interested in Maximus-CruptoBot, it's completely for free. The registration link is below the video. Make sure that you register with the official one, not the fake one. Make sure that you register with this one, maximus-crypto-bot-app.com, which is HTTPS SSL protected. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. Please like, subscribe. Also, please read my full review from my website. The link will be below the video as well. And see you guys again next time. Bye.